Okay, I will start the next part of the post-fertilization events. Post-fertilization event, first part we have already discussed embryo formation. But now, another important part, that is endosperm formations. How does endosperm formation take place is very important. Okay, endosperm means you see that there are polar nucleus present. Okay, polar nucleus when get fused with one of the male nucleus, so it form PEN primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus, and it is triploid in structure. Sometimes the questions come, write the ploidy of polar poly of endosperm. So you will have to say it is triploid in structure. Okay, so triploid structure. What happens after that? After that, it produce endosperm. It produce endosperm. How do the endosperm formation take place? PEN primary endosperm nucleus start multiplying by mitosis process, and again it produce number of nucleus. Huge number of nucleus are produced where no cell formation take place. It is very interesting. When nucleus, any cell division, first nucleus divide, it is called karyokinesis, and then cytokinesis process must be happen to form cell. If cytokinesis not happen, that means nuclear remain, I think, without cell wall. This thing happen here. So when we are talking about free nuclear endosperm, there only nucleus are produced from the PEN, no cell wall formation. It is called free nuclear endosperm formation. Free nuclear endosperm formation. Okay, free nuclear endosperm formation take place. Where do you get this type of nucleus? This type of free nuclear endosperm, you can get is this thing in I think in coconut water, that will be a free nuclear endosperm. Okay, this thing, this is one of the part of the endosperm formation. Next, if all the nucleus supposed to form cell, okay, all the nucleus start from cell. So what happened? Then it is called cellular endosperm. It is called cellular endosperm. That means after cytokinesis, again after cytokinesis, it forms cells. It forms cells. So this is called cellular endosperm. White kernel of coconut is one of the example of this. Okay, and you can see also, okay, peperomia. Peperomia plant, this cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm. And white part of the coconut where you can see this. Another type of endosperm which is called halovial endosperm, where partially endosperm, a free nuclear endosperm, and partially cellular endosperm are found. Vallisneria, one of the example where you can see halovial type of endosperm. Okay, this is all about endosperm formations, and now we have to discuss about utilization of the embryo, endosperm. When endosperm formation take place, it actually help. Look at this. There are some embryonic cell are present, and when embryonic cell develops, so this embryo cell support nutrition. Okay, support nutrition and to that cells when embryo start developing. Okay, I think this is the main role of endosperm. So I will discuss about the endosperm formation. First of all, when endosperm formation, very simply, not very difficult part it is. First, primary endosperm nucleus formation by the double fertilization or triple fusion process. The triple fusion process, actually not double fertilization, in triple fusion process, PEN or primary endosperm nucleus form. Then primary endosperm nucleus form is start multiplying. Sometimes it from cell, sometimes it not from cell. When it not from any cell, so only nucleus are present, there we can say it is a pre-nuclear endosperm. We can get this type of endosperm in coconut water. Then it from cell, then we can say it is cellular endosperm, no problem. And sometime it is in the position of intermediate, cell formation take place and nuclear formation also. So there are intermediate. Vallisneria, one of the example. Okay, I think this is the endosperm. Endosperm help, okay, to provide nutrition to the embryo cell. When embryo cell developing, when cotyledon developing, okay, so in this case endosperm gives nutrition to that cell. After that, when cotyledon develop in dicotyledon, so it all the endosperm cell actually utilized in dicotyledon. So this type of I think seed, when embryo ultimately it becomes seed, this type of seed we call non-endospermic seed, okay, or non-albuminous seed, where all the endosperm are utilized. All endosperm are utilized, and this is a dicot. Basically, we found in dicot. Next, albuminous. Albuminous seed, where we what do we get this type of is monocot. Monocot. In monocot, we found albuminous type of seed, where little endosperm remain with seed. I think this is the fate of endosperm. I think you are very clear about the endosperm formations, and next time I think we talk about the seed formations and the food formations. Okay, so endosperm, I think you are very clear about endosperm formations. You have any question, you can ask me. Okay, that's all.